everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to make custom welcome messages on Discord server. So for that, open the Discord on your web browser at first. Open any browser on your PC and then click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in discord.com and press enter. Once you're at the official web page, you click on open Discord and get logged in into the account of yours. It's a very simple process, but this cannot be done with a plain Discord server. You need to install a bot to do this. So the best bot for this kind of thing is to start with open a web browser and click open new tab. And there on the search bar, mee6.xyz and press enter. And here on this page, you click on login and then click on authorize. Now you need to select a server. You click on setup and here you need to click on continue. You scroll down and click on authorize once more. Go through the CAPTCHA, click on I am human, verify. Now here on the dashboard, you need to click on welcome and goodbye. Click that and then click on yes. This will enable the welcome and goodbye in your server. Enable the first option here called send a message when a user joins the server. Click that. This will enable the option of sending a message when a user joins the server. You can choose what channel the message gets sent to. So here you click on this and edit your welcome message over here, like general, events, ideas and feedback. I'm going to click on general. Now here this will be the message here and hey, and the username will be here, then welcome to the server of yours. Similarly, if you scroll down, you will have the option of send a welcome card when a user joins the server. These are all the other options that you can do. You can also send a private message to a new user. If you enable this, you will be able to send a private message to the new user in your server. You can type in any message that you want to add in here by removing this. Now you need to save the changes that you have made in here. For that you click on save. So this is how you can make custom welcome messages on Discord server. So the changes have been saved. Once a new user gets added to your server, the message will be automatically sent. So this is how you can make custom welcome messages on Discord. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you.